Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the damaged wick quickly and safely. Use a spoon or gentle heat to remove surface wax until you can see the wick base. This prevents accidental melting of the candle body while you work. Once visible, assess whether the wick is frayed, too short, or missing its core. Make sure to have a replacement wick, tweezers, a needle or skewer, and a wick holder ready. These let you act precisely and avoid further damage to the candle. Now you either re-anchor the existing wick or replace it outright. If a short or frayed wick remains, straighten it, insert a thin core or metal wire for strength, and recenter it in the pool. If it's missing, drill a small 2-3 mm hole to the base and feed a new wick through, leaving enough length above the surface. Once positioned, secure with a wick tab or melt a tiny wax pool to glue the base. This keeps the wick stable while the candle sets. Finish by trimming and curing so the fix lasts. You should trim the wick to about 3-5 mm before lighting. This prevents soot and uneven burning. Make sure the anchor is secure and let the repair settle for about 24 hours so the wax hardens around the base. When you test burn for 30-60 minutes, watch the melt pool and flame height. If you see tunneling, drifting flame, or low heat, recenter the wick, try a slightly larger wick size, or ripper a thin top layer to correct the burn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.